So maybe we can show Jonathan. Now it's not going to do anything now that I'm trying to record it for Jonathan. Oh! Wow! It's okay, Harry. It's just fireworks, baby. Is there any more going to happen?
No.
I think there will. We've seen like a bazillion tonight.
Yeah, Disney World.
We're not at Disney World. We're at home, buddy.
Oh.
Do you love it? Ooh, it's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Say, brother. I hear some from the other side too, but I don't know if we can see him. But I can hear him. Don't bang on the window, baby. All right, we're done.
No? Let's check.
Okay, we're going to count to 5. And if there's no more, we're going to go back in.
1,
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good night. You guys want to say good night and go in?
Good night.
Tell your brother, say I love you.
Oh, there's a
I know, I see him.
What did Jessamine say?
Oh, she got really excited. You guys are hilarious. Okay, ready? 5, 4. Oh no, that's popos. Crap balls, that's bad.
Who's Popos?
Over there, that's the popo. I hope nobody gets in trouble for having stinking fireworks. That would suck. Oh, they're turning too. Oh, poop and pee. Really? Is it that big of a deal? America?
What? Oh,
Popos.
Now we can't.
2 popos. Yeah, people are throwing a fit. You've got to be kidding me right now. Is it that big of a deal?
What?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, dude. America's lame sometimes.